this ain't no Raleigh Meets type shit, you feel me? This all street predators. This all the crew right here, street predators, RDU, you feel me? We out here. We out here. Yes, sir. This season, we hit the reset button.
Back on the scene, baby. And the damn door flipped backwards on the bushes. Man, what is... why me, bro?
Let's get to it, you know? Well, I got it off the trailer by myself. .20 wide body. God damn, look at that motherfucker on camera, bro. God damn. Look at this shit. My man got the 2020 wide body. God damn. .20 wide body. Two. Uh-oh. Shut up. Alright. I'm killing it out here today. Oh no. That boy got some bars. I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting.
I thought I was recording.
Oh, you mad?
I'm mad as fuck.
Hell yeah. Go ahead. We got another one. Yeah, nah, Eli about to go. Nah, he didn't go the first time. He didn't go the first time. That was him. Come on, you got it, you got it. All right, come on. 5.7's out there. Hell yeah. Hey, that's how you know you're doing it. When that bitch ain't driving and go backwards, you done fuck some shit up. Okay, CJ. I thought that was CJ. Swinging that bit. I got you, big dog. Go ahead. right, Rod. Damn, bro. Swinging everybody's shit out this motherfucker, ain't it? It up on a late night tip. We out here. Ain't no Raleigh meets, ain't no Durham meets. It's all street predators. Y'all know the deal. Lady out this motherfucker. Say something for the camera. Y'all want to say something for the camera? Yeah, nah. Yes, sir. We out here. Motherfucker sliding all over the place. I don't know if y'all know that was a 5.7 right there. Just so y'all aware, you know, everybody out here got scat packs. Scat packs. Hey, I just want to confirm, right, that is a 5.7, right? Okay. I just wanted, huh?
Stick shift.
I just wanted to make sure. I had to confirm. That's all. You feel me?
A lot of people. That's why a lot of people go to charge.
Hey Ron, do I have tires to get home?
Oh yeah, a lot. I really feel like I need to take some more off, but I'm gonna let you have
fucking
it.
better.
How did it look?
Look, what's crazy?
Just because he takes
Was yeah, hell yeah, that shit was fire, bro. No cap. Like no cap, that shit was lit. That shit was lit. My man Rod swinging everybody's shit, bro. Looking at a 2020 wide body, and we're looking at a 2019, I believe, Ram. I can't remember the year, don't quote me. But we out here. Yeah. Yeah. We out here. Yeah, we right there. You can't see him, but right there where that white light is to the left, and that Mustang. Then we got one right there, and then we got, hello, there I am. Oh yeah. Oh, we can't forget my man's Guala.
You know what I'm saying, squad? Shit, real big game.
Alright, we can't forget Guala and the motherfucking supercharged, turbocharged 4Runner, you feel me? Out here racing, everybody killing it and shit. Yeah. That boy a fool. But we out here though, just swinging it, having a good time, you feel me? That's what we do. Shit, y'all know the drill. Oh yeah, and I got my hair down if y'all don't know that. But we out here though, we cooling it. I ain't gonna be out here tomorrow, but I'm glad I came out tonight. We out this bit, we litty. We litty in the city, sir.
Hem's on the phone. Hold on. I don't go wide one fucking time. I'm doing that.
Too much gas. Too much gas. You giving it too much gas. Let it slide a little bit, then counter steer with the pedal. You got a feather. You giving it way too much gas.
We feel it going this way. Turn this way.
And then feather it. That's when you feather it. Too much gas, baby. Hey, Rod, you want to help the man out?
His boy inside there is pretty good.
Yeah, I know. He probably listening to him.
Hey.
Come on. Oh, he parking. He parking.
You got that tire on you?
He has no tire.
Yeah, he parking. Look at him trying to sneak away. Look at him trying to sneak away. Look at him. He about to swing that mug. Huh? Well, yeah. Where? Oh, okay. Sounds. Oh, hell.
Yeah, I know I heard that. There they go.
Yeah, I heard him too. Yeah, there they go right there.
It might be Juan. Juan was pulling up.
Fucking this parking lot up though. Uh-oh. Is that crashed? Is that crashed? Is that crashed? What up, my guy? How you feeling, baby? All right. Okay. Came in here to mess some tires up, huh? Not tonight? Huh? Hey, come out there on September the 9th. I'll be out there. BRZ. said he wasn't going to.
He be sliding with his brakes, right?
Huh?
And be sliding with his brakes, right?
Huh?
He be pressing on his brakes while he's sliding, right?
Not really. He don't got to. That's why I started backing up. He had it though. All he had to do was turn it just a little bit more. That motherfucker is loud. That motherfucker is.
Come this way, my ears like popping.
Yo, that motherfucker is loud. Huh? That motherfucker is loud as. He gonna wait till that bitch pop. You know what? He probably got a switch for his headlights to turn off that left one.
Yeah, cause like, he always ride like that.
Yeah. That e-brake though. Look at that e-brake. Look at that e-brake. Hell yeah. Fucking that shit up. What the fuck is in the car, Jace? Alright. Alright, Jay. Show me something, baby. Show me something. Them motherfuckers was getting hot. You could hear it too. Yeah, that's why I turned my head. I know he not. Come on, Rod. Damn, I wish I could stand on this without dying. I wasn't trying to do it like that, my bad. I wasn't trying to say it like that.
I ain't never been in ain't never been a passenger when niggas was sliding.
Right.
Alright.
That was it, baby. Hell yeah. That was it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You had that shit, bro. You had that shit, bro. Good shit. Yes, he did, bro.
He had it.
Yes, sir. That second to last swing, bro, he had it, bro. Right then and there. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro.
Get that shit, bro.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good shit, bro. Good shit. You had that. Hell yeah. That shit feel like a roller coaster, bro. No cap. It's different. It's different when you ain't the one doing it. You feel me? Cause I do this shit. I'm like, I got all right, bam. But when you in the back seat or the passenger seat and the motherfucker throwing you right, you like, oh.
I never had done that shit, so he put me in the car. He's like, I'm about to swing something like that. I'm about to do that shit.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good shit, bro. You had that shit. That second to last swing. Oh, pop. Motherfucker got sticky, didn't it? He usually does. He usually does. Ooh, there it is. You found it. He found it. Yeah. Oh, no, he had it. There you go. No bitches. He lighting them bitches up though right now. God damn, you could hit that.
When you
Hit that shit.
like that crazy, let the steering wheel go. Let it correct itself, but just keep mashing.
You got, yeah.
Try to fix. That's what happened to me right there. I did that. It was about to do it. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just keep doing that shit and try to fix it. It's better for you, yeah. When you outspin like that, try to let the hold it like this. Hold it right here, and then
Look at his front tire, yo, look at his front tire. You'll see him going one direction.
That's what I noticed.
You got, but in order for that to happen, you got to keep that pedal going just enough. You cannot overpower or you will spin out.
Why he stopped?
Because he's trying to get used to, he still had his traction control somewhat on. He in a different mode. Watch his wheel. Watch his front wheel, watch. There it is. There it is. Oh shit, you almost put, oh, bro, that's the wrong handle. You ain't put it in, did you? Oh, okay.
Bro, it ain't 3 buckets here.
We had a gas station takeover, you feel me? We out here. We out here. Yeah. Get everybody in this good light. My man Nilton, and some of y'all know Nilton got a freaking wide body Scat 2020. Hell yeah. Just a little takeover. My man Guala in the daily. Hey Guala. Hey yo, show me that twin turbo, baby. Got them over there hanging out. They with us and shit. Hey, that's what it looked like as one solid color? I don't know. Oh, okay. Cool. Alright. Hey, I'm with it. Hey, look. I'm here for it. Let's do the speed limit. Wouldn't you know it, just when I'm about to go home like usual, my goddamn car wants to break. My belt, same thing that happened to me last time. The pulley on the tension is shredded, and then it burst, and then it shredded and ate my belt. So I'm pretty much screwed right now. I'm gonna try to have one of them follow me in the back, and then one follow me in the front. We gonna get there. So here we go. Go, go, go. Shit, 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 shit. Back at it again at AutoZone with a shredded belt. Same thing that happened last time. The damn pulley. Shit itself out again. About to pop it off. You wanna hold this for me, sir? If you want, you can. Alright. Pop this off real quick. Yep.
God, this shit is shredded. I've done that before. I've done that before.
Matter of fact, while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on too. Hold on. Watch this. Watch when you see this shit here.
Get it all?
Get it all right now. Boom. And that causes this right here. This whole shredded, the whole belt, half the belt gone. Just riding against that and eating it, just shredding itself away.
Dropping burns and everything.
Yeah, they already in there. There ain't even nothing I can do about it. The rubber and the belt, it's already in there. It's already in there. Ain't nothing I can do about that part. You good, go ahead, go ahead. That's easy to replace with. Just pop that screw off.
Yeah.
Take that one and put it on there.
Is this still holding enough tension itself?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, the belt's nice and tight.
Okay, that
I
was
started thinking that too. When the first time it happened, I thought it might have been the tensioner, but then I put it on there and I snapped it and I said, oh no, it's holding tension. It ain't loose at all.
Little thought while you're doing all this, your idler pulley has the same time the tensioner pulley does.
Okay.
You may want to think about doing the idler pulley too, because those bearings probably ain't far behind it going on that one. Average rating is about 100,000 miles for the pulleys.
It ain't shimmying or nothing. It's rolling straight.
Yeah, I don't see no
Yeah, it's rolling straight. gonna slap this sucker on here like so. I don't see no scratches. That's not even on the surface, so that ain't gonna hurt nothing. Yeah, that nick he was talking about.
Yeah.
That's not even on the surface. Yeah, it's on the. It's on the It's on the back of the housing. It ain't even affecting nothing. I'd take off this little extra bit of metal right here. If anything. But it ain't hurting nothing, like he was saying. I mean, he had a point though. He did have a very valid point. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Nice and solid again. Boom. Put this back on here. Grab this 13 real quick. That's done. That is taken care of. Taken care of. Alright.
I got a gash right here on my head.
Oh.
So I let the fucking damn tension
Let go.
I let it go.
Oh.
Somebody said something to me, I just let it go. And I looked up just as it was coming at my fucking head.
Yeah.
I said, what the fuck? I told my kid, I said, don't fucking talk to me no more while I'm under this hood.
Yeah, you lose your concentration real quick. Forget where you at.
And he started laughing too. He was in that, he was inside the shop. I went up to a shop. That's why I go whenever I really need to do something, if I can make it to him.
Yeah.
Because he's got a shop. He was in there doing something, and I closed the hood on his hand.
Oh.
Because he laughed. I was so mad. I said, shit, I gotta get back. And when I done it, he screamed. And then he said, well, I ain't too mad. He said, because I almost expected it. He said, because, what he say about me? He said, yeah, he said, if you always gonna get your revenge somehow or another. He said, that's why I ain't ever do too much to you when we were kids. He said, because that's the thing, that's my whole thing. If somebody was bigger than me and they beat me in a fight,
I'm gonna get my shit
yeah.
back. Get my lick back.
I didn't never get my, I was to the point one time I'd get up not shake a person's hand. After they whoop my ass.
That's that pride.
Yeah, I mean, I'd shake their hand, I say, you do know I'm gonna be back, you just don't know when. One cat actually looked at me. I don't know when. And then later on down the road, as we got older, he'd always watch me. He said, I realized what you said to me back then. He said, you were coming back, but it just wasn't gonna be the way y'all came. And they're a reliable vehicle. Subaru Outbacks and shit like that.
Yeah, those usually last a long time.
Yeah. This guy that lives in Graham I used to ride bikes with. He's got a yard full of them. He finds them. He goes to the junkyard and finds them. And if there's a little bit of nothing wrong with it, still fixed, pull better than my Tahoe.
Hold on. Alright. Let's see what she does.